It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, so I will be continuing with the discussion of functions, quadratic equations, and logarithms. I have started the basics in the previous class and we have solved some questions. We will continue with the question series of logarithms where we will solve the best questions you might have not seen previously. Now, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011 and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you'll get 10% discount and you'll get guidance of all the subjects. Now, why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic over plus? One such, the best advantage where iconic students will get is personal coach. So where you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor, coach and your educator, where you can speak about your difficulties facing during your preparation and you'll get the best solutions for that. One more advantage, right? So with this coach is you will be getting personalized test analysis. Most of the students, say me this a complaint only, sir. We have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to apply the things. We are not able to solve the things. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified and they are rectified so that your score will be boosted. One more advantage when you choose iconic subscription, right? You will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes so that you can complete all your software courses, right? So for core engineering branch students, this will be a very good backup for your career. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. how much you have to invest. If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24 month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. When you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and my guidance, my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, finally to me. So after 10% discount, the price will be 46,728 for 24 months. For 12 months, it is 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Of course, these prices are valid only up to June 8th, 11:59 p.m. right from June 9th, sharp 12. So these are the prices that will be ineffective. So do try to beat the price hike and join before June 8th. Right? And yes, we have introduced this 9-month subscription. Those who are aiming at GATE 2023, now this time will be an optimum time for your prep for sure, right? Those who are aiming at GATE 20. Do try to use this. And yes, the prices for iconic for 12 months will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 normally. And this is for 18 and 24 months. But we heard your concerns and we have dropped our iconic prices by 21%. Now let us suppose take 12-month subscription price is 52,000 right now. And you'll get all the features what I have explained you in the previous slides. Yes, and you will be getting right zero cost EMI loans for your subscription. You need not worry, right? It will get approved in 2 hours. Minimal paperwork and flexibility, right? So do try to achieve your dream. So there is no need of worry that you can pay by EMIs easily, right? And yes, by today, right, GATE and ESE category is going to be divided into 4 separate goals. And yes, up they go. If you want to watch the content of all the branches, you have to subscribe before today, right? And yes, as I said that you will be provided with the best notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? Physical notes to whomsoever subscribe for 1 year and above GATE iconic subscriptions. Do try to use this offer there. Yes, are you getting my points there? Yes. Shall we solve the questions? And we have done the basics there. We have done all these questions. We'll come up with the next question. This is the question. I'll explain this question. Next question you have to solve. A, B, C, D, E. Now this is F. Observe there. This is E. This is D. This is C. This is B. Right? I'm going in an alphabetical order. Observe the question carefully. Find F if F into, now this is the point given, if F into log base 2F into this F is nothing but given as 1 itself. You are asked to find out F value. So this is in the format of n into log A. Can I write down the same thing like this? Will you accept with me? Please let me know yes or no. I will write down the same like this, log base 2F into F to the power of F is nothing but equal to 1. So I will convert the same things into exponents, right? This is base, this is power, 1 is power, and your answer value is F to the power of F. So when will LHS and RHS will get satisfied? Only when your F value is equal to 2. Check there. If your F value is equal to 2 only, this will get satisfied. 2 into 2 is nothing but equal to 2 to the power of 2. Any of you got this? Your LHS is equal to RHS and automatically your F value is equal to 2. I hope so you got my point clearly. Yes. Chal. Let's solve the next question. Right? I am giving you 2 minutes for this. As we have done quadratic equations, I am expecting you guys to solve this question here. Let's see how many can solve this question there. Fatafat. 2 minutes. So up they go, right? By observing all these questions, what you have decided, your log values will not be negative. Log values will always be positive. seconds more here. Any answer for this? Easy question now. Observe there, find the domain of the following function. F of x is equal to log minus 1 by x square plus 8x minus 20, it seems. You chances, your log value has to be damn surely positive now. By this, what can I say? This value minus 1 divided by x square plus 8x minus 20 has to be damn surely greater than 0. Only in that case this function will get valid. And again, see here, this is minus 1. I'll convert into positive. So by this I can write down 1 divided by x square plus 8x plus minus 20 has to be less than 0. Am I right or wrong? By this, what can I write down? Now see, can I fragment this by factorization? 28. So 24 5s are 20. Is there any other way? 10 2s are 20. Minus 20. So my plus 10 minus 2. So x square plus 10x minus 2x minus 20 will be the roots of this quadratic equation. So by this I can write down x plus 10 into x minus 2 will be the roots there. Will you accept with me? So finally, can I write down like this? 1 divided by x plus 10 into x minus 2 must be less than 0. So by this, what can I say? Your x value must be more than 10. 10 less than x less than 2 must be the domain of this function there. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Only in this case, this condition will get satisfied. My answer there. So how many of you got this logic there? What I have dealt here? Clear? Perfectly done. Let's come to the next question. One of my very famous question, ma. This I have asked in many domains, many blocks, right? Let's see how many can solve this one. Let x be a positive number. Let x be a positive number not equal to 1 by 8 such that give 5 seconds more. Let x be a positive number not equal to 1 by 8 such that 1 minus log base 2x whole square is equal to log base 8x 2x. Okay, fine. Any answer for this? Is it 1 by 8? Yeah, Anam gave me the answer. What about the remaining guys, right? So 1 by 8 is the correct answer. 1 by 8, I think Anam has answered in the previous question, I think so. I'll write down the equation there, then we will decide it, right? This is the equation. You find the products of all the possible values of x, it seems. Let us find out whether it is an quadratic or a higher order equation, whatsoever. We don't know what we'll do it, right? 1 minus log base 2x whole square is equal to, I will write down this RHS part as like this interconvertibility of logarithms. I will write down log 2x divided by log 8x. Now you closely observe there, it is nothing but in the format of log mn. M is 2, n is x. So can I write down the same part like this? Will you accept with me? So see here, log base 2 plus, so common base, I can take down any common base, right? Log base 2 x. Perfectly I can do that like this, right? Divided by log base 2 8x means what I will do is 3 log 2, right? 2 cube na, 8 I will write down as 2 cube. 2 cube means, is this the format there? Log base 2, 3 into log base 2, yes, plus log base 2x. Now see here, I made a similarity between LHS and RHS. 1 minus log base 2 x whole square. I wrote this point there. So as I will make this as a simple equation, right? For my easiness, I'll take down this log base 2x as some value called p. I'll take down as p. So finally, can I write down my equation like this, right? 1 minus p square is equal to log base 2 will be 1 plus p divided by 3 plus p. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept with me? Yes. So crisscross this. 1 minus p square into 3 plus p is equal to 1 plus p. So I'll rearrange this equation. Let's see what happens. 1 into 3 will be 3. Okay. 1 into p will be plus p. Minus p square into 3 will be minus 3p square. Minus p square into p will be minus p cube is equal to 1 plus p. So what I will do is, I'll make it all positive factors now. See here, I'll write down finally like this. Minus p cube I'll take down this side, plus 3p square. Okay, now p and p on the both sides will get cancelled off. Now 3 will come to this side, which will become minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2 is equal to 0. Ab dekho beta. Now this is a cubic equation. How many roots will be there for a cubic equation? Can anybody say? There will be 3 roots. Will you accept with me? I'll take down those 3 roots as some value. Let us suppose take, right? P1, comma, P2, comma, P3 are my roots. Okay. Means you closely observe there, log base 2 x1 will be equal to p1. Will you accept with me? So I will convert this format into exponents. Base value is 2, power value is p1, and this value is x1. Similarly, 2 to the power of p2 will be equal to x2. Similarly, 2 to the power of p3 will be x3. Will you accept with me? Chalo beta. Now you are asked to find out product of all possible values of x, it seems. So x1 into x2 into x3. So what will be the value there? x1 into x2 into x3 is it nothing but called 2 to the power of p1, a to the power of m plus a to the power of n plus a to the power of 3. Now you closely observe there, is this nothing but called sum of roots in your quadratic equation? Your cubic equation general format will be in what format, ma? Shall I write down here? So see, closely observe there, x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma. So for your understanding, I am writing down this into x square plus alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma into x minus alpha into beta into gamma is equal to 0. Is this your general format of cubic equation? Now, is this nothing but called sum? Am I right or no? What is your cubic equation given there? I'll write down here. This is your cubic equation, ma. P cube plus, is it plus or minus, plus 3p square minus 2. Ab dekho beta, now this is nothing but called your 3. Actually, it has to be minus. Total value is plus, means your sum value is nothing but equal to minus 3. And this is nothing but equal to P1. You wrote the roots now, P1 plus P2 plus P3. Hope so you got my point there. Automatically my answer will be 2 to the power of minus 3. This is equal to, right? So can I write down like this? P1 plus P2 plus P3 is nothing but equal to minus 3. Is this nothing but equal to 1 by 8? And is this my answer there? Will you accept with me? Perfectly done. Done. One such beautiful question that I have seen in the previous recent times. No? So this is one such question there. Let us come back. What question we have solved here? Now this is the one we have solved here. Now I'm expecting you guys to answer this question again. Exponents format wala question. 2 minutes. Try this. Any answers for this? Yes, Vaibhav, I have covered all the things now. एक बार playlist देखो मेरे वाला. You can easily understand this. एक बार right, पुराना month एक बार playlist completely देखो, right? I have completed very good, I mean portions, right? Previous वाला videos भी आप देखो. A value x satisfies the following equation, it seems. 2 to the power of some value is given there. I will take down this value as m. So can I write down this value in this format, right? 2 to the power of m plus 2 is equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 16, can I, okay, fine. I'll write down this as 1 by 16. This is in the format of 2 to the power of m plus m. Can I write down this as 2 to the power of m into 2 square is equal to 1 by 16? Now, can I write down this as 2 to the power of m is equal to 1 by 64? 16 fours are. Can I write down this as 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 to the power of minus 6? 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So, m value is nothing but equal to minus 6. Done. So, let's find out this m value. Then I will substitute here. I will write down in writing. M is equal to, this is the value given there. log base 9x divided by log base 81 into 2 to the power of 1 by 3. This is the value given this. So I'll write down like this. So I can write down numerator as log x by log 9. I can write down this as 3 square, 2 log 3 divided by 1 second beta. Can I write down this as log 2 to the power of 1 by 3? I'll see here. I'll write down like this. Log 2 to the power of 1 by 3 divided by log 81 is nothing but 3 to the power of 4. Can I write down this as 4 log 3? So see here, this 2 to the power of 1 by 3, this 1 by 3 I can get here and I can write down here as 1 by 3. So see here, 1 by 3 divided by 4 will become 1 by 12. Am I right or wrong? 1 by 12. अब ध्यान से सुनो, this 2 I'll write down little bit like this so that you can understand it very well. I can write down this as 1 by 2. Log 3 gets cancelled off. 12 by 2 will become 6. So my m value is equal to 6 into log base 2x, and my m value can be written as log base 2 x to the power of 6. In the place of m, I will substitute minus 6. So see here, minus 6 is equal to log base 2 x to the power of 6. So convert it into exponents. Base value is 2, power value is equal to minus 6. So x to the power of 6. By this, what will be your x value? X value will be equal to 1 by 10, 1 by 2. So substitute this 1 by 2 here. Now automatically what will be the answer there? 6. And this is your answer. One such again beautiful question, right? Number system, I mean a type of number system question and logarithms. Let's see how many can solve this. $25 here. Five seconds more, yeah. Series P is defined as P is equal to. So see, I'll extract one term, then you can write on the remaining terms very well. I'll extract this one. Observe here. Can I write down this as 2 divided by log 10 divided by log x square can be written as 2 log x, interconvertibility of logarithms. By this, can I write down this as 4 log x divided by log 10? So I will remantle it. Can I write down this as 4 log base 10x? So I'll write down the p series here. Observe here. I'll write down the entire p series is nothing but equal to log base 10x, this one, plus next one is 4 log base 10x, plus next one is, observe here, what will be the next term? 9 log base 10x, so on, and you are asked to find out the value of n, so up to n. So can I write down, I can take down log base 10x as common. So what will be the value left over? 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus. So if you closely observe, then the bracket is in the format of sum of n squares. Am I right or wrong? Up to n square. So this I can write down this as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Come to next one. In the same case, in Q series, I will extract this term, then you can understand the remaining terms very easily. 1 divided by 1 by 2 into log 10. Can I write down like this? Divided by log x. Finally, can I write down this 1 by 2 will go into the numerator, will become 2 log. I'll write down directly. Can you understand this? 2 log base 10x. Similarly, can I write down my Q series like this? I'll write down in reading to have a difference there. So see here, log base 10x plus log, next one is 2 into log base 10x. Next one is 3 log base 10x, so on up to n terms. So I will take down log base 10x as common. What will be left over there? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n. And you closely observe there, the bracket is in the format of sum of n terms. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. What is the question asked? Done. Now if p by q is equal to 21 and you are asked to find out the value of n, I'll write down in next page p by q. Hi Harshavardhan, after so long time, how are you here? Log base 10x into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 divided by q value is nothing but equal to log base 10x into n plus 1 divided by 2. So all these gets cancelled off. 2 1s are 2 3s are, and everybody know p by q value is 21. 21 3s are 63. 63 is equal to 2n plus 1. Fine Harsha, how are you? 62 is equal to 2n, n value is equal to 31. This is your answer. Done. Chalo, let's solve next question. How many of you yes, a simple algebraic based question here. Let's see how many can solve this. For so long time, Harsha, how are you? 10 seconds more. Any answer for this? If P and Q are positive numbers, right? So it is not 0, it is not negative numbers. So you need not worry regarding that. So we'll solve it. If P and Q are positive numbers and log base, first of all, I will calculate this value, then we'll come to P plus Q value. I'll convert it into exponents. So can I write down like this? This is base value, this is power value, and this is your answer value. So 4 plus log base 2p is equal to, can I write down this as 2 cube? 2 cube is nothing but 8. 8 minus 4 is nothing but equal to 4. So log base 2p is nothing but equal to 8 minus 4 is nothing but equal to 4. Now P value will be how much, ma? Base value is 2, power value is 4, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Am I right or wrong? So see, I'll substitute 16 here. So finally 4 into 16 will be 64. Log base 4 whole to the power of 4, which will become 4 to the power of 4 minus 64 plus is equal to 16 log base 2 q to the power of 4. Am I right or wrong? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are, 16 16s are 256 minus 64 is nothing but 192. 192 divided by 16 is nothing but equal to 12. 12 is nothing but equal to log base 2 q to the power of 4. So base value is 2, power value is equal to 12, which is nothing but equal to q to the power of 4. So I can write down this as 2 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 4 is equal to q to the power of 4, and your q value is nothing but equal to how much? 8. So p plus q, 16 plus 8 is nothing but equal to 24. That's the answer there. Done. So 24. Did I made any mistake there? No, nothing such. So I've done correctly. 16. Is it 16, ma? No, yeah. That's what. It is not 2 to the power of 3, na. Base value is 3, matlab. Base value is 3, matlab. Your base value must be 3. Power value is equal to 2. 9 minus 2 is nothing but equal to 5. And this is equal to, base value is 2. 2 to the power of 5. This is equal to 32. Here also I have done the same mistake, I think so. So finally, ab dekho, this is 32 na. P value is 32. 124. So see here, this is 124. 1 second. This is 124. So 256 minus 124 will be how much? 256 minus 124 will be how much? 132. 1 second, ma. Did I made any with 32 into 4 will be how much? 128, ma. Again is same mistake. 128. So 256 minus 128 will be 128. Okay. So 128 divided by 16 is nothing but equal to 8. Now this is 8. I'll write down 8 means, is it nothing but called what will be the answer there? 128. Now this is 16. 68. So 1 second, I'll write down like this. 8 is equal to log base 2 q to the power of 4. So finally, base is 2, power is 8, log q to the power of 4. So I can write down this as 2 square whole to the power of 4 is equal to q to the power of 4. By this, my q value is nothing but equal to how much? 4. 32 plus 4, my answer is 36. This is the answer. Really sorry regarding this. So little bit calculator error. Now we have done it correctly. Anybody corrected me in the comment section box? Nobody. Right, chalo. So I'm expecting you guys answer for this. 2 minutes, try this. That's right. Five seconds more. The answer for x comma y greater than 0, find the value of x if log base 5 base 0.5. 31 Kamal. Komal, it's not 31. Let's check. Log base 0.5x plus log base 4y is equal to -1. So you're asked to find out x value. So I'll convert this xy is equal to 4 as y is equal to 4 by x. Then see here, I'll write down one by one. Then so can I write down this part as log x by, now see here, this can be written as log is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 can be written as 2 to the power of -1, 0.5. So finally what I will do, I'll take down this -1 this side. Now finally this will become minus. Can I write down this as minus log base 2x, base 2x. Now come to this side, this I can write down this as log, in the place of y, can I substitute 4 by x divided by log base 4 can be written as 2 log 2. And you closely observe there here. Log 4 by x, log 4 minus log x. Can I write down like this? Yes. So I'll write down this one like this. Log base 4 plus log, or otherwise log base 4. Okay. So once let me check down this log base 4 into 4 by x. So can I write down this as log base 4 minus log base 4x? Yes. Can I write down this as 1? Yes, I can write down this as 1. Now see here, this I can write down this as log x by log 2 log 2. So finally, can I write down this as like this? 2 log 2 means, is it 1 by 2? Oops, so I'll write down like this, then we can get clarity. 2 log x, 2 log 2, sorry. So finally, I'll combine all these equations. Minus log base 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into log base 2x is equal to -1. This plus 1 goes to right hand side, will become -2. Minus this will become -3 by 2 log base 2x is equal to minus 2, and see here this minus gets cancelled, and I can write down the same value like this, log base 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to 2. And finally I will be converting this into exponents. 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but equal to x to the power of 3 by 2. So x is nothing but equal to 2 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3, 2 by 3 na, 1 by 3. So is it nothing but called cube root of 16? Yes. So this will be the answer there. Come to the next one. Let's see how many can solve this. Your answer there. 2 minutes. The answer for this? It's an easy question, right? Simple algebra plus calculations, right? Now, our aim is to find this. This is our aim, log p minus 3r, where p is equal to 1 by r and p is greater than 3r. So, chalo, I'll do like this. My aim is to find out this. Now, can I write down this equation like this? P square plus 9r square minus 12pr is equal to 6pr. And dekho, by this I can write down my p into r value is nothing but equal to 1. Okay, fine. Is this in the format of p minus 3r whole square? Yes, perfectly. P into 3r, 2 into p into no. I have to write down this as 6pr. This is 12pr. Then it will be fine, I think so, right? 2 into 3 into p. Okay, fine. This is 12pr. So is this nothing but called p minus 3r whole square, which is nothing but equal to 12 into pr is nothing but 12 because pr value is nothing but equal to 1. So adding logarithms on both sides. Yes. Adding logarithms on both sides, log p minus 3r whole square. So I can write down directly, you see this is in the format of a to the power of n. So I can write down 2 log r, which is nothing but equal to log 12. Log 12, I can write down this as, closely observe there, 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. And again I can write down this log 4 into 3 as log 4 plus log 3. m into n, and again I can write down this as 2 log 2. 2 log 2, yes, perfectly. By this I can write down this as log p minus 3r is equal to log 2 plus 1 by 2 into log 3. Is this the answer there? Of course, if I have given the options there, you might have solved this very, very easily, but my aim is to not give any options, right? So it will make you to not think in any very good way, right? Let's see next question. Yes, one of my favorite question which was asked in CAT 2019 examination here. Try to solve this. So if you can reframe 4 minus p by 4 plus p, automatically you can get the answers very, very easily. $50 seconds more. Any answer for this? I'll solve it. First of all, I'll change this source here. I'll change this value, then accordingly I'll change my question value also. I'll write down like this: 4 minus p, I'll write down as 1 minus p by 4. This bracket value only, 4 minus p, I'll write down this as 1 by p by 4, and divided by 1 plus p by 4. Write down like this. So I'll convert this into p by 4 format. So log 81 base 12 is nothing but equal to log 3 to the power of 4 divided by log 12, and I can write down this as 4 log 3, and I can write down this as 4 log 3 is equal to p, and finally I can write down this as p by 4. P by 4 is equal to log 3 divided by log 12. So finally, can I substitute the same value here? 1 minus log 3 by log 12. Can I write down directly as log 12 minus log 3 by log 12? Yes, I can write down like this. So see here, I'll erase it and I'll write down like this. Can I write down like this? Log 12 minus log 3 divided by 12 log 12. Divided by, in the same case, p by 4, can I write down this as log 12 plus log 3 divided by log 12. Log 12 gets cancelled. Log 12 by 3 is nothing but like log 4. Am I right or wrong? So finally, can I write down like this? Log 4. Log 4 can be written as 2 log 2 divided by log 12 plus 3 is nothing but equal to log 36. Log 36 can be written as 2 log 6. So finally, I can cancel on this. Now see here 3 is left over now. So finally, I have to multiply this with 3. Is this nothing but called 3 log 2? 3 log 2 is nothing but equal to log 8 by log 6. Log 8 by log 6. Yes, perfectly. And can I write down this as log base 6 8? Yes, perfectly I can write down. Is this my answer there? How many of you got this point there? Exactly. Will we solve one more question there? It's the last question of the class, right? I will solve this and we'll end the class, and tomorrow we'll continue with the next session, right? So try to answer this 2 minutes. The answer for this 47 by 10. Very good. P cube is equal to q to the power of 4 is equal to r to the power of 5 is equal to s to the power of 6. So I can take down all these values as with some constant value k, because all these values are same now. So can I write down this P cube is equal to k? Yes, I can write down this. Finally, observe here. Can I write down my P as k to the power of 1 by 3? Yes, similarly, I'll write down all these values. Q value is equal to k to the power of 1 by 4. Can I write down my R value as k to the power of 1 by 5? Can I write down my S value as k to the power of 1 by 6? Of course, fractions are a little bit difficult to calculate. Let's do one thing, right? We will find out a number which is divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6. A number which is divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, you can take LCM, right, which will be very, very happy there. So 3 4s are 12, automatically 6 2 3 contains 12, 5s are 60. 60 is the LCM there. If 60 is the LCM, 60 by 3 will be k to the power of 20. And 60 by 4 is k to the power of 15, k to the power of 10. Yes, this is nothing but not k to the power of 12. This is k to the power of 12. This is k to the power of 10. Okay, then finally this is the question asked. Log base s. So in the place of s, I will substitute k to the power of 10. PQR in the place of p, k to the power of 20. In the place of q, k to the power of 15. In the place of r, k to the power of 12. It is in the format of a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So I can write down this as log base k to the power of 10 into k to the power of 47. Am I right or wrong? 20 plus 15, 35. So finally, I can write down this as 47 log k divided by 10 log k. And this gets cancelled out. Your answer is 47 by 10. So I'm clear. So let's solve some more very good questions in the next class. I hope so you liked these questions there. Some 6 to 7 questions are left over. We'll solve in the next class. Okay, right. As you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock combats using with my code. You can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. So the price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24. Of course, these are valid only up to right up to this one, right? June 8th, 11:59 p.m. right? So do try to subscribe before June 8th, 11:59 p.m. beat the price hike, right? These are the prices after the hike. Let us suppose like for 12 months it is 39,265. Right now it is 32,126 only. Observe this. And yes, we have introduced this 9-month subscription. Those who are aiming at GATE 2023, it's an optimum time for your prep, right? Do try to use this. And we have added this community feature, right? You can speak with me, you can ask any doubt in this community feature. I will forward all my PDFs to these communities, right? All the posters, right? What I am dealing in the next classes, right? Everything. We can be in contact 24/7, right? Use it. And yes, from 6th, GATE and ESE category is being divided into 4 separate boards. To try to subscribe those who want to watch all the categories before 6th. And yes, these are the prices for iconic 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Those who are aiming at only test series, yes, you can use this so that you can crack all the weekly tests, daily tests are available on this. You can try this. And if you have any doubt, you need not wait for anyone's help. Right? Unacademy has an extraordinary thing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. Just click the picture of that doubt, crop it and upload in doubts and solutions, select the preferred language and get the video solution within minutes. And yes, right, do try to join my special classes, right? So that you will be, so I'm dealing this campus placement strategy sessions in the special classes. I have done for 110 colleges, right? Do try to use this. So my strategies will be damn helpful to crack the best placements for sure. And join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding the classes of mine and all the educators. Updates and all those things. Please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you wish, if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDFs from the groups and hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.